As I said earlier, the three major features are the header for the actual post, a good quality picture, and also the text. So to start off, to add a new post, we go back to the dashboard, which let's hope goes back quickly. And we go to posts. We may as well see all the posts. Now from here you can actually edit them, you can trash them, you can clone them individually if you want to go and do each post or change each post, but let's just add a brand new post. So the first thing we're going to do is put in a title. I'm going to take a current article from Baseball New South Wales and use this title here. And we'll add it here. I'm going to make it temp so I remember to get rid of it later on. And now we need some text. I'll go back to that same article and this is how easy it is. Really? I'm just going here, copy, paste, done. Not too hard is it, as you can see. Visually that's what it looks like. Next thing you need to do is, you've got the standard here, which is fine. You've got to pick the category. What we're going to do is Baseball New South Wales. That's for the featured articles, that's for the ABL News, but we want Baseball New South Wales. Lastly, we need a feature image. To do the feature image, we need to use a photo manipulation program such as Photoshop or GIMP or Paint.net, something like that. So I'm going to give you an example here. First of all, a standard post has to be 800 pixels wide and 450 pixels high. Now, understand, it doesn't have to be exactly. It can be 805, 810. It can be 420, 430, 440. It doesn't have to be exact, but close to those specifications will give you a nice quality, perfect sized photo for a standard post. So we'll go to Photoshop, for example, in this case. We'll choose a picture and we'll choose a friendly little plain picture. How about we use this one? Okay. So we can see from here that this is actually quite large. It's 2800 pixels by 1865. It's also very high resolution. We don't need that high because for web design or web photos you only need 72 dpi. So we'll change the dpi to 72. The width is going to be 800, and as we can see it's still a tad larger at 533, but we'll do this first. Okay, let's just go to the crop. We'll crop it, remembering that we need 450. Just one sec. Where's 450? There. So it's 822. It's actually a bit wider by 450. Oh, that's why. Sorry, it's 800 by 450. Now you want to get the hands. We don't care about the feet so much. And there you go, nicely cropped. And we're going to save this so I can find it again as AA temp. And save. That's good enough quality. And now we go back to the post and we set the featured image. To do that, we open up the media page. So we click here. You can also access the media from here, the library. Click set featured image. We open up wherever you're storing your photos, and it's drag and drop because it's obviously missing from here, so we're going to drag it and drop. That's all you got to do. It's pretty easy. It's loading up here. We don't need all these tags. I'm going to call it AA temp so I can get rid of it again. And what we're going to do is set this as the featured image for that post. So set featured image, and there you go. Next thing you have to do is you've got to publish it. So we'll publish it. Wait for it to actually build the actual post. And the next thing is to preview it. Now, we're going to preview. As you can see, it's published today. You can change these dates to do it in the future, but let's just do it for today. We'll go and preview the change. And voila, there you go. There is a brand new post with the text you've just put in, date, who it's by, new head, and a nice photo. Now that will come up on the front page. I'm not going to, well actually you should be able to see that on the front page now, I'll come to think of it. And there it is. It's the latest one, bang. And that's how you add a simple standard post.